So Shabby FS Hub, let's look at GBP AUD 4 hours. Shabby FS Hub, GBP AUD 4 hours. So we're using multi-time frame in order to give us a clear directional bias as to where this pair is going to. So we have here October price action, and we have here as another demand floor and a break of structure and a retest. We are going to clone it. The strategy in every trade is to always find out your trend angle. Every trend has an angle. So once we find the angle of trend, it allows you to swing in to take action in line. And the trend angle is not permanent. It keep changing. It's dynamic in nature. Keep changing. So now we have found our trend angle. If you take it to the roof, you can see that the market is well calibrated. So for a lot of people who do not understand, trend angle is what it is. That this is now the new trend of this angle, and very soon we are going to discuss how to measure trend angle and how to use it in winning trade. So this is what we have. Then we have another break of structure at this level where we have so we're going to use another strategy to see. We have here a potential buy opportunity on return of price where we expect price here to give us in a double confluence. So I want to hold this price action responsible in the future. That price returns to this level will trigger the buy that you want to see in GA. On a monthly time frame, we have a breakout from a descending trend line, and now we have a bearish drop after price updating the ascending bullish channel. The ascending bullish channel updated the floor as well as demand and another demand structure, and the third demand structure before the break of structure and the possible retest, and we have another retest and a break of a supply roof, and we want a return back into this level. And a return back into this level will be on confluence where we're going to set our buy order at 198800. And we'll continue to look at other parameters. We have here a break of structure and a possible retest at this level. This break of structure at this level can be seen on 4 hours and have provided a buy opportunity to those who understand structure. Where we see here as resistance, break of a resistance, and a possible retest, and another retest, and another retest. So that is the structure of the market. On 4 hours, we have break of structure, and price have updated it the way it should. So the next thing we want to look at is this rally from November using our Fibonacci extension for a heavy retracement. And you can see that price lies almost trying to return at 0.382 level of the Fibonacci of this rally starting from the month of November. Now we have a bullish channel. A bullish channel updated the floor one, two, three before a breakout and price return back to the channel. On technical, we want a clear retest to a broken supply route that has been tested one, two, three, four, five. We have five price actions at this level. So we want price to come back and touch that level and move. So what does that mean? We are going to look for more confidence for that to happen. For that to happen, now we have a lot of let's look at the structure from the top. We have another break and retest at this level. Another 4 hours break and retest from the roof. And you can see a possible retest to that. You have price updating here, resistance to upswing, resistance to upswing, breakout retest, and another retest. So what we see is that price wants to hold on to 0.382 level from the Fibonacci extension and continue this way. I do not want price to break out from the bullish channel. This is the floor and this is the roof. So what we want in this case is that we have a resistance at this level. The resistance at 2.00511, and we believe technically that should continue to hold. But for that structure to be broken, we need a strong fundamental analysis. So what we see in the week is that price might continue to play. We will explain. Now we have a lot of support. We have this support. We have this support. We have this support. We have this support. They are all playing support, and even the Fibonacci extension. So the worst that can happen here is that price will come back, retest the $2 mark level, then return at this area, which is the floor, which is the floor of the ascending bullish channel, then now begin to trade up. This is what we see ultimately. So you still have one more row to go up in a normal dive, to go up, then come down, then go up again. So what will happen here is if you want to scalp it, you can scalp it as market open. GA will continue to move up and get resisted by 0.23 level, which is 2.0051551 level. Then the price will form a W structure and continue in direction of the larger trend. And we need to have a binding ascending trend acting in dynamic support. Here we have support, here we have support, here we have support, break of a support structure, price returns here to retest, first retest, second retest, after a break of structure, break of the demand floor, price come here, retest a supply roof one, break of a supply roof, no retest. So price will come back, retest the broken supply roof as now a new demand floor. And from there, you have a W structure and the GA will continue to trend up. So we look at it, and I will tell you the British economy, the Australian economy, investment. I know a lot of people will not understand it, but you will see it. Let's see. A quarter of the year, come back and check if you are right or wrong. So this is what I see. We need a W structure, and we need an alignment with the ascending. Now we look at the angle of trade is the same. We have gauged the angle of trade. After gauging the angle of trade, it gives us exactly what we want. So it makes our conviction come clearer to what we want. So we'll step down to 4 hours. We are not going to go down to anything below 4 hours again. So we'll stay on 4 hours. Then we'll look at fundamental analysis for GA. So for GA, as the market opens, you will bear in mind that the market will swing up and swing down. The market might swing up Monday or Tuesday, then will still come down again. When it comes down again, then it's coming down to challenge the floor. That is the floor, the ascending trend line. It wants to come to the floor where you have a demand, a previous demand, one, two, before a break of structure, supply, one, two, break of supply. Price needs to come back here to continue. Remember, on a monthly time frame, we had a breakout on a monthly time frame. So why we scale down to lower time frame is to find an entry opportunity. And if we go back to 15 minutes, we must keep in mind that our buy position is intact. Then all we can look for in 15 minutes is where do we have the best pullback so that we can enter and trade in direction of the larger trend. So GA has been falling for a very long time, no doubt. Seeing British pounds exchange against Australian dollar below $2 mark is something to tell you, and the economy is trying to close that gap. So on economic footprint, I see British pounds pulling against Australian dollar to retain exchange rate above $2 mark. That's the sentiment. That's the sentiment, and that will happen because when you look at it, as at December, GA was above $2 mark, and they quickly escaped from that zone. So price is coming back. It's coming back, and to hold on to that and print higher. So this is what we see on 4 hours.